Once again, my video has been postponed because there has been new news. And once again, it is the race and rescue. Why is this stuff still around? Why? Here we have the Rescue Mobile, MACK Mobile Rescue Repair Centre. What a name. Although, I really do love this hauler. Don't get me wrong, I love this hauler. It looks really, really cool. I would have preferred if we had a Rusty's Racing Centre MACK as a release over this. Maybe we'll get one in the future, but yeah, this playset will be released in later 2026 this year, and it's sort of getting better. I mean, there's been loads and loads and loads of leaks recently, so I'm glad about that, but let's get straight into this MACK. So yeah, the MACK is obviously a little bit like the Rusty's Racing Centre from Cars 3. As I've said, he does look a lot like that. He does have the Race and Rescue Lightning McQueen on the side. And if you look at the front, or on the side images, do you know what? It actually looks like we'll be getting another Race and Rescue playset. Because the Lightning McQueen in the set that we originally have doesn't have the blue headlights. So it looks like they're using a plastic Lightning McQueen here. So that's cool. Yippee. And the MACK also comes with a Guido as well. So this will be our what? We have the original Thailand version, the Chinese version. We have the new one coming in at the, the extra line now with the accessories. We also have the one with the red on top. So that's four. We've got 5 different Guidos now from this line. So, yippee. Cannot wait to get another Guido. That will probably be, this, I should say, is pretty much a reused design from the Glow Racers, just those types of MACKs. The Fireball Beach MACK is another one I could think of. But yeah, that is pretty much it, I believe. And I should say this was found by Trains and Cars Kiddo 01. And literally, I found this about, 2 minutes after he did. I was literally about to post, and then, yeah, he found it as well. So, credits to him, I suppose, as well. But yeah, if you are new to the channel, everybody, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Until the next video, peace, everybody. Oh, yeah, I should probably mention the hat as well, shouldn't I? Yeah, I should. The hat is a little bit like the Tomica version of MACK. If I do remember, I'll throw an image on your screen of that. I do actually own that version of MACK, so maybe I should do a video on that in the near future. But yeah, Mattel are literally copying Tomica now. Like, legit, they are. Seriously. But anyways, this is now the end of the video. Until the next one, bye everybody.